Let's look at the question. The question here says solve the equation 0.25 all raised to the power of y minus 2 equals to 8 raised to the power of 2y plus 1. So let me quickly show you the solution to this. So let me bring this question down. You have 0.25 raised to the power of y minus 2 equals to 8 raised to the power of 2y plus 1. First of all, the question you have to ask yourself is there any relationship between the two bases here, which is 0.25 and 8? If your answer is yes, then you got to do something. And that thing is what I'm going to show you now. So we are going to change 0.25 from decimal to fraction. And if we do that, then 0.25 is the same thing as 1 over 4. 1 over 4. This will now be raised to the power of y minus 2 to be equals to 8 raised to the power of 2y plus 1. And again here, 1 over 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of minus 2. Okay? This minus 2 will multiply into the power, which was y minus 2, to be equals to, now we are going to write 8 on the basis of 2. And that will be, 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 3. And this 3 will now multiply into the power that was originally there. Can you see that? So, since these two are of the same base, we are now going to equate their powers. So for this one, they have the same base. Because of the fact that they have the same base, then we will equate their powers. But I'm going to multiply the powers out at once. So minus 2 times y will give me minus 2y. Minus 2 times minus 2 will give me plus 4. To be equals to the power on the right hand side, I'm going to multiply this 3 into that bracket. 3 times 2y will give me 6y. And then 3 times 1 will give me 3. Alright? Then the next step is to collect like terms. If we collect like terms, I'm going to group, this is minus 2y, this is minus 6, this is 6y. So I'm going to bring that 6y to the left hand side. So this is minus 2 minus 6y equals to 3 minus 4. Is that right? In the next step, minus 2y minus 6y is minus 8y to be equals to 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So this is equals to minus 1. Alright? And then here, if you divide both sides by 8, you're going to have this. You have minus 8y over minus 8 to be equals to minus 1 over minus 8. And so you can see minus 8 and minus 8 going. Then from there we can say therefore y equals to 1 over 8. This is the solution to that problem. Alright. If you find this video interesting, please do well to follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel at Maths Lab Official. And then share this video to other people as we hope to see you in the next class. Bye for now.